Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel SS Trading School. Okay, before we will start video, I want to convey some message to you. So I have made separate playlists for you guys, like basic technical analysis videos for beginners and most important candlestick pattern videos. So whenever you will visit YouTube channel SS Trading School, just go to the playlists, then you can choose one series and you can start from scratch to the advanced level. So going forward, I will add option series, future series, commodity series and equity series and many more segments, right? So it will be beneficial for you when you visit the playlist section. Okay, so I hope you understood what is the importance of playlists in SS Trading School YouTube channel. Okay guys, then let us start with my new YouTube video. This is the third video I am doing and it is related to the how to use tradingview.com. Go to the Google, okay, and type TradingView. Click on this TradingView and click this first link, TradingView, track all markets. Okay, so when you click on this TradingView, it will show the interface like this. Okay, and it will ask email ID for the sign in purpose, and it's a totally free platform to work, and it's a very useful to the beginners. Okay, so I'll refresh this one once again. Okay, then click on this three bar and click on this product and go to the chart section. When you click the chart section, it will show you the entire interface of the tradingview.com. Yes, so this is the tradingview.com interface. So I'll read some of the things I already drawn here. Okay, give me 1 minute. Yes, fine. So today I will teach you very basic thing about tradingview.com, like how to draw tools on the charts, how to add stocks into your watch lists, how to use different time frames, and how many types of candles are available. What is indicator? What is reply button? What is how to add text on your charts? So many more concepts we will learn today. So I'll start with the right section here. Click on this plus mark, and if you know any specific company name, you can type here like Tata Motors. Okay, and I will add Tata Motor into my watch list. It will add to your watch list. Okay, so like that you can add specific company name if to the watch list. Otherwise, if you don't know anything about the stocks, like which segment it is belongs to, right? So one more most important tool, tradingview.com recently updated. Just click on this plus mark, go to the stocks and select here India and all types, and this go to the drop down. You will come to know these different segments of the stocks like finance, health services, consumer services, energy, minerals. So many sectors will be there. According to the sectors, the stocks will be listed into the stock market. If you want to go to the finance means, just click on the finance and you will the stocks will come related only the finance. Okay, like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. If you want to add this one to the watch list, just click on this plus mark. Or if you want to different segment like consumer services, if you want to, just I click on consumer services, only the stock list will give consumer services and add to your watch list. It's very important tool. Depend upon the segments, you will get the stock lists. I hope you understood how to make a watch lists and how to add different stock into your watch list. Okay, so this is only a very important tool in the right section. Now I will teach you the left section of the trading view. There are many tools are available in the left section. I will teach you only 5 to 6. It's very important for the technical purpose. So if you want to draw horizontal line in your chart, just go to the second section and click on the horizontal line and click on your chart. And you can change your color as well. If you go to the color and I'll click black one, and if you want to increase the thickness, just go to the third section and increase your thickness of the line. If you want to delete this line, just click on this delete, and it will remove from your chart. So in this section, the three important tools are there. One is trend line, second one is horizontal line, the third one is horizontal ray. If you want to draw a trend line, just click on this trend line and draw in your screen. Okay. If you want to draw horizontal ray, just pick up from the horizontal ray and click on your charts. Okay, it's very simple and basic things. If you want to add some text on your charts, just click on this text button and you can add. So I'll write like SS Trading School and click OK. So if you want to draw anything on like rectangular, circular on your chart, go to this section, click on circle, click, and you can draw circle on your chart. Click on rectangular, just click and just click another point, the rectangle will form on your chart. If you want to hide all the things whatever you drawn on your chart, right, one more tool will be there. Go to the bottom and just click on this hide all drawings. It will hide from your chart. Okay, so this is the very basic things I am teaching today, and the two tools are very important. Go to the third section. One is Fibonacci retracement, second one is trend based fib extension. These two tools are very important when we will do the technical analysis in depth. Just remember these two things. Going forward in upcoming videos, you will come to know what its importance and all. Okay, so I hope the right section part also completed, and some of the tools we covered in the left section, and the most and very important section is the top one. Okay, so if you know the different time frame analysis, multi time frame analysis, you need to visit the top section here. So now the top section we see here, D means it's the daily time frame. Okay, whatever the formation of candle here, this is the daily formation data. Okay, and if you click on this, just you can take cursor on the candle, you will come to know open, high, low, close. Okay, so if you are beginner to the stock market, or you are a beginner to the YouTube channel SS Trading School, please visit my previous video on how the formation of candle will takes place. Then only you come to know in this video what I am actually teaching. Okay, so if you want to change the time frame, go drop down here and you can change like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 45 minutes. According to the time frame, you can change your data. If I click on 1 hour, then the 1 hour data will appear on the chart. If I click on this candle, it will show open, high, low, close, different from the different time frames. If you open for the 1 hour, the open, high, close will be different. If you open for 1 day, the open, high, low, close will be different. Okay, so like that we will use multi time frames from here. So right now I'll keep it as only the 1 day. Okay, fine. The second part is there are many candles are available in the stock market, and the standard one is what we are using candles, but some of people will use Heikin-Ashi, Renko, line chart, or bar charts. Okay, so I will teach you one or two for now purpose. If you click on this Heikin-Ashi, then the Heikin-Ashi chart will looks like this. Okay, I will not use this one, just I am knowledge purpose I am sharing this one. If you click on this Renko, the Renko is the box structure. Okay, it will open like this, but 80% of the people will use standard one, that is candles. Okay, so I also recommend you use this normal candles. Okay, So if you see, if I click on this and just drag and down, it will move up and down. Okay, if I click on the chart and if I drag here, it is a pan option, so you can move anywhere on the chart. Okay, so it's very helpful tools for the beginners. Just log in your mobile, desktop or PC and start drawing on the chart. And one more useful feature is there, that is replay. Okay, so this replay button is used for back testing purpose. Who has experience in the stock market, they will use this replay button to know the back test of the charts. I will show one back test of the charts here. Just click on replay, and from if you need from this to this, okay, you can select a range here to see how the charts will form. Click here. Okay, and you can play. So it will show how the charts will form day by day. So it's very helpful tool for the backtest purpose. So see how the candlestick will form. So these kinds of tools you need to use daily basis. So that's why I'm teaching very few tools today, and it's very helpful for us. Okay, and the most important thing we can see here is indicator part. So once it's complete the things, we'll go to the indicators, a separate video on that, because most of the people will use the indicators. If you go here, the top button, indicators. Okay, RSI will be there, MACD, Bollinger Bands, ADX. There are 90 to 100 plus indicators will be available, but nowadays I'll not use any indicators for a technical purpose. But when we will use the indicators, we will make separate videos on that. As a beginner, we don't involve too much into the indicators. Okay, so if you want to go with the full screen mode, just go to here right side and full screen mode. Okay, it will show full screen mode here, and go cancel here. Yeah. So I hope I covered a very basic thing about tradingview.com. The first one is how to add stocks into your watch lists. Second thing, how to draw horizontal line, trend line, horizontal ray, how to add text on your charts, how to hide the drawings from your charts. Okay, and how to use multiple time frames like 1 hour, 1 day, 45 minutes, and which type of what type of candles are present. But basically we will use only the standard one. And what is the replay button, useful for the back testing purpose. So this kind of information is useful for the beginners. So please go log in and start working on this, and we will meet you in next upcoming videos in technical analysis. Okay, so bye bye guys, have a great evening. Thank you. If you like this video, please share with your friends who want to start a journey with stock market. So from scratch, it's very useful for those who will interested to learn about stock market. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and bye bye.